All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving right along. Our next bout is scheduled for 8 rounds in the lightweight division. Please welcome from Dallas, Texas, Alexis El Perro Del Bosque. And his opponent from Allentown, Pennsylvania, Joseph Blessed Hands Adorno. First on the scale, Alexis El Perro Del Bosque. 134.2 for Del Bosque. 134.2. Next on the scale from Allentown, Pennsylvania, Joseph Blessed Hands Adorno. 136 for Adorno. 135 is the way down. Where's Moretti? This is 8 rounds in the lightweight division. Alexis El Perro Del Bosque, 17-5. 9 wins coming by way of knockout, taking on Joseph Blessed Hands Adorno, 14-0-1. 12 wins coming by way of knockout.
For this fight, Basil. Okay. So Adorno has